Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back for another video, and today we're going to talk about the Canon M6 Mark II. That video that you just watched just now is actually taken with the Canon M6 Mark II. Yeah, it's a mirrorless camera from Canon. This camera can shoot 4K 24, 30 and also a full frame 30 and also a full frame 120 frames per second, which is very good if you want to shoot slow motion. I've been using for 2 weeks now for several shoots. I actually kind of like it. I actually tried both shooting video and photography, and boy, this camera really stands out. I kind of like the 120 frames per second. It was actually good. I also tried the HDR mode for video and it was excellent, where it's actually exposed very good between the shadow and highlight. This camera is made for vloggers, where it has a flip-up screen. It also has mic jack over here. But one thing about this is the cold shoe mount for the microphone directly on top of the flip-up screen. So what you can do is you can buy accessory to make the microphone be on the side or on this side where you can still see yourself. I find this is very good for people like who travel, for travel videos, and it also has its own electronic stabilization, and that electronic stabilization is actually quite good. Low light is also very good. As a video shooter, I actually like the fact that this is quite small and it's actually very light, especially when you shoot long hours with gimbal. This small camera itself is in fact very good, and it's almost comparable to the DSLR, which is nowadays like people are more moving towards the mirrorless camera. This is one of the options that you can actually look for if you look for camera that small size and capable. It's easy for you to just pack inside your camera bag and it's not that heavy. This is how fast this camera can shoot. That's it. Yeah, that's how fast it is. If you want to use as wildlife photography camera, definitely one of the options that you can try and look at for wildlife, because it has 32.5 megapixel. Alright, that's it for this time, and I hope that gives you a little bit of detail about the M6 Mark II. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you on the next